This lesson shows how to simplify fractions. When a fraction has a common factor in the numerator and denominator, the factor can be eliminated without changing the value of the fraction. This is called simplifying a fraction. For example, the fraction 3 over 6. If you factor the numerator and denominator, there's a common factor of 3. You can see that this is the same as multiplying by 3 over 3, which is the same as multiplying by 1, which doesn't change the value of the fraction. So eliminating the common factor doesn't change the value of the fraction, it just simplifies the fraction. And you get 1 over 2. When two fractions have the same value, they're called equivalent fractions. So to simplify a fraction, find the greatest common factor, or GCF, of the numerator and denominator. Then divide the numerator and denominator by the GCF. For this example, the GCF of 3 and 6 is 3. When you divide the numerator and denominator by 3, the common factor is eliminated and you get 1 over 2. Another way to simplify a fraction is to write the prime factorization of the numerator and denominator and cross out common factors, and you get the simplified form of the fraction, 1 over 2. A picture can help you understand simplifying fractions. Here's one whole unit, divided into 6 equal parts. So each part is 1/6 of the whole. Shading 3 parts represents 3/6. Then if you divide the whole unit in half, you can see 3/6 equals 1/2. For another example, 6 and 8 have a greatest common factor of 2. So divide the numerator and denominator by 2. The common factor is eliminated and you have 3 over 4. You could also write the prime factorization of the numerator and denominator. Then cross out common factors and you have 3 over 4. To simplify the fraction 12 over 18, notice that 12 and 18 have a common factor of 2. They also have a common factor of 3. But the greatest common factor of 12 and 18 is 6. So divide the numerator and denominator by 6. And you have the simplified form 2 over 3. You could also write the prime factorization of the numerator and denominator. Then cross out common factors of 2 and common factors of 3. And you have the simple form of the fraction, 2 over 3. This lesson showed how to simplify fractions. And this lesson is brought to you by the Math Fun Academy. Its continuing mission: to explore strange new worlds, to seek out new math and new equations, to boldly go where no math student has gone before.